Hey everybody, this is Scotty with Sketchy's Garage. Today we're working on the mean green Chevelle. We're hanging some front suspension pieces. As you can see, we went with some tubular control arms. I went with manual steering. And then we got adjustable coilovers for the front. I'm going to show you how to put this side over here together. We've already put that side over there together. I like to get started by these A-arms right here. They're powder coated, so I like to run a thread chaser through our bolt holes and then get a bolt. Make sure you can run it in and out real easy with your fingers. That way you don't get it almost tight and it snap the bolt off or something silly like that. Another thing I like to do is put a little bit of grease on the rubbers to keep them from squeaking so much. And then on your adjustment on your coilover, I go ahead and put anti-seize on it and spin the adjusters up and down a little bit. That'll keep them from galding up. Make it, if a year down the road you want to adjust the height, it's going to go easy for you and not be a pain. One more thing with these tubular control arms, they got grease fittings, and if you was to forget to grease it before you put it all together, you can't hardly get up in there and put grease in it. So make sure you go ahead and grease them now. Save you some headache having to pull everything back apart and put it back together. I'm gonna go ahead and stick this in there. So let's do it. Alright, these things really ain't that bad. Like say if you do all that stuff beforehand, go ahead and just take your bolt, stick it in there. Pretty much what tight with your fingers. Go ahead and stick the other one in. One other thing, make sure you use good hardware on these. These are supporting the weight, so definitely don't want to use a cheap hardware bolt because it most likely will break, and that could definitely leave you stranded on the side of the road. Slide your coilover over the whole assembly. Swing up the A-arm. Gonna have to apply a little bit of weight on that. So what we'll do is just take some block of wood, get out here as far as you can on the A-arm. Let it get a little bit of downward pressure on it. Be able to stick that on there. And that's pretty much all there is to it. We'll go ahead and get our spindle assembly, put it on, and our tie rod ends and our pitman arm, we'll get them and put them on later in a later installment. I was just making a quick video to show you guys that. It's pretty easy. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.